Alright guys, it's water once again with Dharmesh Mehta ji and a good friend of his, Maharaj ji, who is into remedial measures and pujas. Dharmesh Mehta needs no introduction. Today's subject is on a very I would say vital part of Jyotish and our life, that is remedial measures, upais as it is called in India. What would normally all of you expect out of upais or this video is you want an upai for the debilitated Mars, debilitated Mercury, or some problem in life, no marriage happening, no job, so you want an upai. You can find hundreds of videos like that on YouTube. Of course, when we do any session with Dharmesh Mehta ji, as you all know, something rare comes up. And his style of explaining, giving examples is unique. We all know that. I feel I have a different view on upais. Everybody need not agree to mine, but everybody need not oppose to that view also. I want you all to open up your minds to the very first basic question, that why are we doing an upai? Why? Did we do something wrong for which we are suffering? Or have we become slaves of astrologers, that every month, every week we go to them, oh, I have this problem, can you give me an upai? Are these upais not making us stand on our feet and face responsibility? Take that responsibility that we are our own creators of our future. And also, we can ourselves solve our own problems. It's going to be a long session today. This session is probably going to last 3-4 hours. But I want to discuss on various angles. And it's a discussion. It's a discussion among three people, myself, Dharmesh Mehta ji and Maharaj ji. What I want people to understand is, if somebody is unhappy with you, you have given trouble to that person, and that somebody is unhappy with you, an event is created. This event will have a reaction either in this life or next life or some lifetime. So that person, suppose, becomes your enemy. He's going to come back and give you that trouble with probably interest. And as I always say, interest rate of God or karma is not 9%. It can be 300%. Depending on the harm caused. Depending on how much the hurt is deep. The unfortunate part in India is, we go to an astrologer saying that I am facing a problem in my job. So I am facing this problem. People are troubling me. My boss is troubling me. What is the upai? The astrologer will give either a stone, that's the best business, or vastu, that's again the best business for astrologers, okay, or numerology. Change your name, your boss will be happy with you. Okay. The question is any astrologer trying to make you realize that, hey, correct your karma first? There might be some problem you must have done. Ask forgiveness. Become a better human being. No, astrologers are not interested in your spiritual progress. But astrologers worldwide love to call it a spiritual science. That's the biggest joke. When you do an upai, I'm not against upais. I'm saying do upais. Even I do it. But of course I don't do it regularly. For years I did not do it. I think it was 7 years or something. I refused to do any upai. Because I had a fundamental which is that if a planet or a situation is giving you trouble, it means there is some karma pending. I want to exhaust that karma. Or at least as much as possible, I want to bear that karma and finish that karma. I will give you an example of an astrologer from Banaras at some point of time in this video on how he treats his karma. So if you are doing an upai, there is something very essential which no astrologer talks about. Suppose you have Jupiter debilitated. The first thing you as a student of astrology need to find out whether that Jupiter debilitated is causing you good or bad. That's the first thing. For years you will end up only spending time like 95% of astrologers thinking that, oh, my Jupiter is debilitated, so it is bad. It might actually be causing you good in some areas and bad in some areas. So when you try to reverse this situation, please understand life reversals can happen. Changes can happen, huge changes, whether some of it might be desired or not. So first you understand why this thing happened in my life. Try to contemplate. Try to gather hints from your life that why this planet is behaving like this. Then you gather the hints of the karma. Then you seek forgiveness. Seek forgiveness. Go into meditation. Daily meditation, 15 minutes, is one of the biggest upais. Biggest upais. Because you are balancing all your 7 chakras. Because at the end of the day, when you do an upai, the upai needs to eventually affect your chakras or the relevant planet's chakra. Some of you will say there are 9 planets. And why 7 chakras? There are more chakras also. Anyway, when you do that upai, your mindset should change. If you are doing upai for Mars, your mindset should change, your anger should reduce. That is when you realize, or your command ko kya bolte sir? Ego. Or, you know, ego. So, you know, Sun is usually associated with ego, you know, but Mars gives different kind of ego. That's what I feel.
You know? Anger with the ego.
Anger combined with ego. You know, that Kshatriya or this thing.
I define it as a desire, as I always
Desire. No, that people loved it. People loved it. So when you do that upai, your personality, your mindset, your karma itself should change. If it has changed, that is when the upai has been successful. Otherwise, it was only a temporary upai. Know the effect. I'll come to the point of how astrology can calculate where an upai will work and where it will not work. I'll come to that point later. Let's now go to Dharmesh Mehta ji. Please welcome Dharmesh Mehta ji. Hello, sir. Thank you for coming. I'm sorry we have missed you. I've been trying to call you, but you've been very busy, sir.
Yes, sir. You made me busy. You made me busy. Now people are crazy. Now one person, I believe from Jalandhar, say that I have to meet you. No, I don't have time. No, that is my desire. My Mars is exalted. Now people talk with me with my words only. So sometimes...
No, they say, you know, they say, the best medicine is eat your own medicine.
Yeah, that's true. So...
What is upai, sir? What is this remedial astrology?
Yeah, people are very much crazy about the remedies. What happens, you see remedy on the basis of the medicine. See, when people go to general practitioner, no, they give medicine, they combine the medicine or they make the booty and they give. So that's the mentality that whenever you need something relief, you have to take something from the doctor. whenever people go to the this MD, MS, that high surgeon, they only recommend. They write 2-3 medicine and they give just a paper. Okay, do this. Now, like all these newcomers, they always go to the remedies, do this, donate this. Normally people come to me, I never give. I give the 2-3 remedies and I don't give them. Suppose I guide them to wear this stone. They first ask, do you have this? Then give. So the people, rather than doing as a remedial part, they do as the astrologer's advice. They don't want the remedy of their own planet. They know that the astrologer has said, no, so now my relief will start. So that is the things. Now see the remedies, why it is introduced in the Indian astrology, or you will never find in Western astrology. Have you seen any remedies? You have never seen in the Chinese astrology. You will never see in the Westerners. It is only in Hindu or the Vedic astrology. Why? Because we believe on the deeds. We are on the karmas. So what the remedial part or what the sages has said, that while doing something, do some extra things. So that what happened, it will side by side create some deeds, good deeds, punya. So what happened, that whenever your road will end, it will make the road for further going. So that is why remedy is important. I too believe that remedy. But as you already said, that remedy has to be, one has to be understood why it is needed. So now basic broad sense of the remedy is that there is two type of remedy. It's in Hindi, it is called upay and upachar. You can translate it.
Upay?
Upay and upachar.
Upachar.
There's a differentiate. Both words are used. Upay means you do something,
Okay.
and upachar means to refrain from doing something,
Okay.
not to do something.
Okay.
See, that's two types, no?
Correct, correct.
So now in the upay, that's basically we are going for the remedies only. Do this, do this. We never tell people refrain to do this. Don't do this.
Correct. Correct.
So-
That's an important point you raised, actually. Yeah.
Yeah. So while as you said that this planet is debilitated, then you have to refrain something doing, no? So that doesn't understand. People say this planet is debilitated, wear this, eat this. Oh no. Once planet is not agree at the time of your birth, how it will now agree? How you are convincing now? So that's a major thing, refraining something. Suppose as you said your Jupiter, somebody's Jupiter is debilitated. Now what to do? The simple remedy is that he has to, whatever the sugar or the sweetness he is eating in his daily diet, he should reduce. That's it. Because at his birth time, that Jupiter was of the certain sign which was not allowing him to give result. Debilitated means. So that means your body is not ready to absorb that sugar. People don't understand these
Okay,
things.
let me ask. Is there a logic between sugar and Jupiter? Is there a
Yeah,
logic?
naturally. See, that sweetness, because when Guru speak, no, it likes. So that's the sweetness.
When Guru?
Speak.
Uh-huh.
When any Guru speak to their
Student.
disciple, no, student, it always flow like a sweetness.
Right. Honey, yeah.
And so that is, see, normally people join sugar with the Venus. As already I have also spoken, but that was negative in sugar. We are on the sweet sugar. So sugar is two type. If you want like makhan, we say,
Yeah.
that Venus.
Okay.
But when you speak something good for this, not without any expectation from them, that is Jupiter.
That is Jupiter.
See,
Now,
as a
Guru has to give. Guru only wants to give.
that is also sweetness, no? That is also kindness, sweetness.
Correct.
So now broad sense of remedy is, one is to increase the planet strength and one not to increase the planet strength. That's abstaining from doing this. Now to increase, that means you have to consume something, you have to add something, then only it will increase. So increase I give always by wearing that colors, by wearing that stone. It's everybody available. People wearing so large stone, but they doesn't understand. So, sometimes people ask how much carat I have to wear. Well, I wear 1 carat, 2 carat. See your capacity. Somebody is wearing 8 carat, 9 carat. See, whenever you are wearing any big stone, their earthing point will be same. What is going inside is the same. So why to keep more things in the upper side surface? So that's the stone part. Stone part, all the stones people aware about.
People are
No,
aware.
it
We
is
don't want to
that
go
the
into that,
ruby
yeah.
and this. So to add something, first you know that do you need this planet, then you increase by adding that color, It's a very good remedy, color therapy. That just keep that color of bottle, just fill with the water and keep in the morning sunrise till 12:30. That's a Murat, Brahma Murat. Till Brahma Murat to Abhijit Murat, you keep this. And then whole day you consume it, gives the same effect by wearing crores of the stones.
Really?
I use for
You
my
tested
child.
it?
My child.
Can you give me an example, please?
For mercury, see, for to increase memories, you take that
Green.
wine bottle or this any green bottle, green color bottle,
Okay.
but it should be glass because plastic is non-conductor. Plastic doesn't consume the energy. Take a glass,
Green.
green bottle,
Okay.
but this glass bottle, not a plastic. Then fill with the water and keep in the morning when sunrise is there until afternoon 12:30 till 12:40 you keep this, and then you
Where to keep it?
in the sunlight outside where the sun heat.
Okay. Direct sun.
Direct sunlight. If you have a window, then keep in the window so that bottle will heat and the water also contain that colors. That colors goes inside slowly, slowly. As this also stones are also color. It's also glass, but it has more absorb quality. But daily, I believe since 8-9 years I am practicing to my child, so it gives a very good result.
Yeah, you seen it?
For memory,
Yeah.
basically for memory, for all colors, we are going to discuss it.
If I'm permitted to ask, I know, it's really bad manners asking somebody's horoscope, without his permission, and usually it's bad manners.
Yeah.
Is Mercury afflicted in your child's horoscope?
No, they are normal, but they are in the 5th house. So to just adding that,
Okay, you're giving power. You're giving
more
power.
more power.
Okay. Can we go through the list of planets and the color, just for the young ones? Say Jupiter,
Jupiter yellow,
yellow,
right? Then Venus plain white,
plain white, no pink.
no pink. Pink bottle also not available, but Jupiter, Venus main color is white.
Okay.
Chandra color is not white, it's opaque white. See, different.
Okay.
Because so Chandra, that's an opaque glass. It should not be transparent clear.
Okay.
Venus is transparent clear,
Okay.
white color. Then Mars, as you know, red color. If you also get an orange color bottle, that is good for sun.
Okay.
Black or blue. See, it depends. You have to more increase black, less increase blue. As we
For-
were discussing Saturn.
For Saturn.
Saturn have two colors, black and sky blue also. For
so,
Rahu,
so when to use black? Can you please repeat?
yeah, whenever you want to increase
Saturn's
more,
power.
Saturn more power you have to increase or faster,
Okay.
then use black.
Okay.
And for slow growth, because Saturn immediately can't exalt it. So for this, see, you find all this allopathic medicine always in the color of allopathic. All this syrup, all this thing is always in the brown color
Yeah.
glass.
Why?
That is Rahu. And they say keep away from child and this, keep in dry and cool place. Use as per the doses because that's Rahu
Okay.
inside it. And when you consume, it blasts inside. So it's Rahu. So Rahu color is a
Brownish.
brownish color, and brown, you know what things available in the brown color.
right.
So after that, consuming people.
Yeah, think like. Yeah. What about Ketu?
For Ketu, the same. Rahu and Ketu. See, once Rahu exalted, no, it will give power to the Ketu.
Okay.
That's a very good understanding because they are always in the 190 degrees. So whatever you increase the Rahu, the Ketu will also get. Or otherwise, if you get a bottle with the green, blue and mixer color. See, Ketu's stone you have seen. It is not a perfectly green, grey. Or you can get grey color. Grey is also color of this. So I believe we have completed sun orange, moon white, white but opaque white, not a clear white. Then Mars red, Mercury green, then Jupiter yellow, Venus plain white, Saturn blue or black, and Rahu brown color. And Ketu is a grey color. Keep this at least for a month. You'll find that things are moving inside you because the water is the best remedy. I'm going to give you so many remedies out of the water.
Speaking of remedies, speaking of water remedy, what I used to do, okay, and there was this Japanese scientist, I forget his name, he won the Nobel Prize or some prize.
Aging, I think that's the system of aging he has introduced.
No, water therapy, he said that you can program water.
Yeah, pH level, that
Yeah.
same aging.
So, he used to say, you say something to water.
Yes.
And so what I used to do,
Oh,
okay, morning,
okay.
I used to repeat Sri Ram's name 3 times.
Okay. Okay.
In that, I used to take the water, okay,
Okay.
early morning, and I used to say Rama, 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 and I should drink that water.
Good.
And what I realized, okay, that my bhakti for Sri Ram increased tremendously. Pure love. I mean, it was.
Yeah.
I have, and few other things also I used to do with water. You know, even what I used to do, another remedy. You know, I'm going tangential. Sorry, Maharaj ji, मेरा एक habit है. I always go tangential. You know, because my Ketu is very.
No, you will explain why the sankalp has to be done.
Yes, we'll come to that point. We'll come to that point now. What I used to do, morning I come, okay, in the desk, okay. One of the best remedies that I found it working, okay. I mean, 10, 12 years back or 15 years back I started it. I don't practice it now, but I've seen it working consistently. Take water, okay. Say I'm going to have a great day today, or just recite Om.
Okay.
Okay, Om is very good.
That is powerful, yeah.
And then you put it,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
and then you
spread
wipe
it.
it,
Okay. Okay. Wipe it.
wipe with your own hand, okay, and
Okay.
not allow your office boy to do it.
No, actually, your
You
energy
have
has
to do the remedy.
Yeah.
Take the cloth, wipe it.
Achha, again you have to dry it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dry it. So what you done?
Don't let to dry it out its own self.
No, because we have to
Achha,
keep
you
both
have
a
to
file or
immediately,
something, you know, we have to
to
keep.
work,
Okay.
yeah.
Even my office boy, you can ask him.
Okay.
You know, he's shooting the camera. You can ask him. I myself take sometimes, and I wipe my printer.
Okay.
And this way. Karta na main. Khud.
Right.
So that I have found working.
Uh,
You know, this thing. But now let's come to that point of water. Camera shift. I put the camera closer so that the audio is better. You know, so we don't have a wide shot. Okay.
Yeah.
Maharaj ji, please say how water is used in remedies in your karma kand. आप हिंदी में बोल दीजिए, I will translate into English.
Okay.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलिएगा for the audience.
पानी जल ही जीवन है
Correct.
सबसे पहले.
That is the reason this is water with Dharmesh Mehta. Cheers, sir.
जल ही जीवन है. आप 4 दिन 5 दिन बिना खाए रह सकते हैं, बिना जल के नहीं रह सकते.
Correct.
तो जल का उपयोग जीवन के अंदर उतना ही है जितना शरीर के अंदर श्वास का. कोई भी कार्य में, जैसे अभी आपने कहा कि हाथ में पानी लेके हम संकल्प लेते हैं, उसको फिर जमीन में छोड़ उसको क्लीन करते हैं. पूजा में भी आप कहीं भी देख लीजिए, बिना संकल्प के पूजा नहीं होती. पूजा इज लाइक अ एग्रीमेंट विद गॉड फॉर सम टाइम. जितना देर हमारी पूजा हो रही है उतना देर हमारा संकल्प होगा. बिना संकल्प के पूजा इसलिए नहीं होती है क्योंकि बिना कमिटमेंट के आप कोई धंधा नहीं करते हो, कोई व्यापार नहीं करते हो. तो पूजा के प्रारंभ में हम संकल्प इसीलिए करते हैं कि आज का ये दिन है, ये वार है, ये मास है और आज मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. आप देखिए पूजा क्या कर रहे हो तो मन में आपको मालूम है, लेकिन शब्द ब्रह्म है तो वो ब्रह्म आकाश में जाना चाहिए. इसीलिए हम लोग जल हाथ में लेके आपसे संकल्प बुलवाते हैं कि आज मैं ये करूँगा. तो वो बिना जल के संकल्प नहीं होता है. आप पूर्व काल में ऋषियों का देख लीजिए, श्राप भी बिना जल का नहीं देखते.
Correct. I understand that. But why do you put it in the earth?
जमीन में इसीलिए रखते हैं क्योंकि हमारा जो संकल्प है, सबसे पहली माँ हमारी पृथ्वी.
Okay, I will explain this.
You donate it. I have one secret about
Sure.
because it will be not good for all the Brahmins, but let me say why people they do the sankalp. It's the astrological terms. See, whenever they give water, no, you take a water. You know the Hastarika. This is a junction where all the planets on all the lines goes. See, while chanting, reciting the mantras during the sankalpa, aham, whatever that they say, they also see to that the hands of the this karta, okay, how much water is balanced. See, sometimes you hold the water, it comes out from this.
Yeah.
I have not disclosed, but this is 6, 8 and 12. See, this is Jupiter 6, this is Saturn. Saturn is both sides. So this is 6 house also Karaka is Saturn, 8 house is also Karaka, and 12. 12, you know, the Venus, Mercury is debilitated. So here. So this is your 6, 8 and 12. So they see that how much water goes out. So they come to know how much percentage, how much water is balanced now, that much percentage of this karma only benefited to him. So that was the secret.
Oh my God.
So see, they put also the akshat, that rice. So rice will remain there. So their karma will be 100% complete. Akshat means complete. But whatever the water has comes out, so he will not able to get that much percent of result out of this. So that was also one of the theory behind this sankalpa, that how much you will come, because we know how much remedy will sustain. So they will come to know that only 5% water, or sometime whenever they say that just abhi jal pravahit kare, nothing balanced. That means they doesn't have anything. Whatever the karma they will going to do will not be benefited to them, because their karma has leakage. So that was also one of the secret out of this doing this, because this is 6, 8 and 12. So they came to know that in their horoscope maybe 6, 8 and 12 house is powerful, so that it does not sustain. So because whatever in the center, no, this is your Lagnesh, in your hand this is the Lagnesh. We'll do one session for how to read this, convert into the horoscope, because many people doesn't have their kundli, but from by doing this you come to know how planets are there, major planets. So that was one of the secret that why the sankalpa has to be done.
Okay.
So now you may continue.
I want to quickly, because the audience, they would be very eager to hear totkes, So I want to finish that part, and then have a more experienced and spiritual discussion. Of course, the point of it I have given at the very start of it. I want some experiences coming up. I want to debate on Kal Sarpyo. Okay. I want to debate on Pitru Dosh. Okay. It's going to be a long session. We might have to come again. I will have to request you to come again. So quickly, I'm going to ask you questions. Okay. Say my readers have sent some questions on job. Okay, or this or that. So I'm going to ask you some questions, that these are the problems people are having. Okay, what is the upay? Okay, we will go from general to some specific. Okay, so the first is roti kapda makan. Okay, wealth. How can we increase wealth through upais? Totke. Your answer. Your answer.
I will advise them to donate anything related to Jupiter. See, while donating sweet, you will find many people always give some prasad every time. That means whatever yellow things, that bundi, laddu, whatever, whenever you donate something, so it reach to them, and whatever the percentage it reach, it will add up it will increase your wealth. So that I also mentioned that how to increase the wealth. So I given that donate sweet always. Whenever you get a
sweet to whom?
Anyone, because Jupiter is a relative. See, for the family harmony also I given donate sweet to relatives. If you find no remedy, not peaceful relation with the family member, so donate the family members every time. Send. See, that is why during the marriage we donate the sweet to them, so that with the invitation we give the
sweet box, right.
So that they will come and enjoy your business, function. So that is a donating sweet. It doesn't cost you much, but it adds up so many times of your Jupiter.
Okay.
Because there are 5 types of donation is there. The first donation is the Gupta Dan. There are so many dans. So Gupta Dan, what you can say in English, Gupta Dan. So you just give whatever that even your left hand doesn't know. So that is a Gupta Dan. Then there is a Vidya Dan, education. Give donation to the Vidya. Those who are not able to pay the fees, you give, because that child till his life he will earn from this. It will add something in your account. It's a direct Western Union money transfer. Okay. Immediately transfer to your account. Then there is a Kanyadan. Third Mahadan is a Kanyadan. If you have a daughter, then you are lucky. You have a daughter? I am not lucky, but I donate. Means I have done Kanyadan for my Sali. Okay. My wife, younger sister, I have done. So Kanyadan, because that Kanya goes to their family and increase generation and generation. So that is a Kanyadan. Then comes the food. When you done Annadan, Mahadan. So that will at least give his one-time satisfaction that I have eat. see, I am not against of doing annadan to so many people, but there are so many animals also. See, you call 100 people, 100 Brahmins, 100 people and give them food. What they will do? They will bless you. But afterward they say, there was a salt was less, it was not good, taste was this, they should make this. But that one atta, if you pour, there will be 200 ant will eat.
Correct.
They will never shout.
Correct.
So, annadan, give annadan. So that, see, every food has written someone name, let it pass on. So, annadan. So, there are all this done. If you doing everything daily, make a practice. I make my client always practice to do something. See, if your planet still good, why it is harm? It adding your energies.
Correct.
Your energy, see, whenever you donate, your all urjas go with that. Because you donate. Say the previous olden age, where the Raja doesn't go and donate, the plate will be served to him, he will just put his hand. Why to pass your energy to that things and then you done. But for donation, I have one things. People always ask how much to donate. They say 1 kilo will be sufficient, 2 kilo. I always say donate with your own weight.
Correct.
Tulabhar. Tulabhar.
Yeah.
So Tulabhar.
I've done that many times.
Yeah,
Not for
Tulabhar.
me, but for my.
Yeah, Tulabhar is a best. See, previous also when Raja was sick, he Tulabhar and donate that things to the needy people. Tulabhar basically do for 3 things. For sugar, if you have a diabetes, that is why I have tested. Because I was in between the sugar to me. And I have tested, I have donate my weight sugar. It is not at a stage, you can donate at the part. From your birthday, your nakshatra, to next year, that 12 month you get, divide into 12 portions. Suppose your weight is 72 kilos, so donate 6 kg per day, per month when your star comes. Because star is very important. That day, if that star should be there, so that the connectivity will be there. Whenever they do the puja also, they always ask, what is your star? Nakshatra bataiye. In every temple. Because nakshatra is your star, and that will open your star.
Correct.
Ultimately, you will go to open your heart. So Tulabhar is very good. So doing that Tulabhar. In mantra also people have this knowledge that which mantra is to be, Bij mantra kare ya Vedic.
No, I'm talking about wealth, sir.
Yeah, wealth. For wealth, donate the sweet things.
Sweet things.
Whatever things you want.
Okay. What about you, Maharajji? Wealth, increasing wealth.
In our Shastra we told Lakshmi Prapti. लक्ष्मी प्राप्ति के बहुत सारे उपाय हैं।
Correct.
कहते हैं कि इंस्टेंट की बात कर रहा हूँ, इज्जत चाहिए तो इज्जत दो।
Correct. You read my mind. I'll tell you something later, but bang on, sir. I love you.
इज्जत चाहिए इज्जत दो,
Yeah.
पैसा चाहिए पैसा दो।
Correct.
गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी एवरीवेयर एप्लीकेबल।
Correct.
अच्छा, कोई आदमी गरीब है, उसको कमाने के लिए आपसे वो पैसा कैसे कमाए पूछ रहा है, होता तो वो दे देता, आपके पास आता क्यों? लॉजिकल बात है। तो पैसा चाहिए पैसा दो, तो पैसा दो का मतलब क्या हो गया कि भाई आप अपनी शक्ति के अनुसार जहाँ आपको मन करे वहाँ आपको देने के बाद सुकून होना चाहिए, चाहे वो जानवरों को खिला के हो, चाहे वो गरीबों को दे के हो। एंड चैरिटी बिगिंस फ्रॉम होम। आप घर वाले बहन बेटी माँ सब दुखी है और आप गांव में चैरिटी कर रहे हो, तो वो चैरिटी गिव्स जीरो रिजल्ट।
Sometimes I feel, I'm sorry, I'm taking a very, some might call it a negative viewpoint. Okay, we Indians have become such that charity begins at home and ends at home only.
हाँ,
वो घर से बाहर नहीं जाते. It doesn't go outside.
नहीं, चैरिटी
Let
बिगिंस।
me tell you, you know, we Indians, speaking of charity, you know, I like to this thing. But I want an upay from you. I'll come to you. So I want
I will give you upay
proper
also.
upay. But world loves to hate Americans.
Okay.
World
No, it
loves
also-
to hate Americans.
Yeah.
But what the world doesn't realize, कि Americans are the biggest charity donators in the whole world. Statistics. Whole world.
Yeah.
As an individual, most Americans donate quite a lot, much more than Indians. Our point is, what I'm trying to say is, what you were saying. Charity begins at home and stays at home with Indians.
Yeah, we donate for our people only.
For our people only.
Yeah.
We, even if we are giving dowry, okay, we say at the end of the day it will benefit us.
Yeah. With some intention.
Some intention is there. For me, I want to meet a man who is giving charity, who is feeding animals every day,
Yeah.
but says, I don't want any karma out of it. I don't want any benefit. मुझे वो मर्द दिखाओ. That mard has really mastered. Show me that man. That man has really mastered himself. He doesn't want anything.
Yeah.
He says, I don't want anything. What you were saying about Gupta Dan,
Yeah.
I wanted to expand on that. Gupta Dan means secret charity,
Yeah.
where your left hand does not know right hand.
Yeah.
The higher form of Gupta Dan is where you take a sankalp. I am combining what you are saying. Take a sankalp that I am giving this charity. I don't want any karma out of it. I don't want any benefit out of it to come to me or to my children. That is a greatest man. That is a man, sir. I am saying upayas need to transform us. Upayas need to transform us. I'm sorry I'm going wayward, but on that feeding of the thing. Here we go. Remember where we had a chai session?
Corner.
There is pigeons come.
Yeah. They feed
So,
the...
yeah. So every morning I used to start the pigeons. I used to give them food. I think it's from so many years I'm doing it here, over here in this area. But every time I go, because that is the lane to go for my restaurant also.
Okay.
So why go? Morning I start, then afternoon. So every time I go, I used to give it. Then I thought every time 20 rupees it becomes too much. We become conjuice, in our giving also. Then sometimes when I go and I see they are there and nobody has fed them, many people feed them.
Right.
Then I can't resist. Go and give.
Right. That is
How-
much needed.
When I'm going for lunch, I say, how can I have lunch
Oh.
and they have not had lunch? It's a point. But sometimes with that mentality I've realized, we might do it for our own sake, feeling that happiness, oh I am a good human being, I am doing this. Okay, but that kind of mentality leads to failure in modern life. People take you for granted. Sir, I want an upay. You are a bhakt of Lord Dattatreya. I know that. I want an upay for wealth. I want all my readers and viewers to be wealthy. That's my desire, my wish, my mass. Please give me a specific upay to increase wealth.
It will take time, but it will give result 100%.
Okay.
People have to have a patience.
पेशेंस आप डायरेक्ट तो बिजनेस में सक्सेस नहीं होते हो.
Correct.
पेशेंस सिर्फ और सिर्फ शनिवार के दिन पीपल के झाड़ में आप जल चढ़ाइए
Okay.
और एक मिट्टी के उसमें दिया कीजिए और 4 या 7 राउंड उसका खाली ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय इतना बोल के खाली. रविवार को ये क्रिया नहीं करनी है.
Only Saturday.
क्यों? पीपल के वृक्ष के अंदर शनिवार के दिन लक्ष्मी जी का वास होता है और रविवार के दिन दरिद्रा देवी का वास होता है.
Okay. So it has to be done every day except Sunday or only on Saturday?
Only on Saturday.
Okay.
If every day they can perform, it is well and good.
But
But
Saturday
Saturday is
must.
concerned.
So I will explain this in English and I will seek clarification also. On a Saturday, they have to pour water in on a peepal tree.
People.
Okay. Then they have to take on a
Diya.
earthen pot
Water.
or lamp,
हाँ,
light it, ghee lamp,
घी मिले.
Ghee or
Ghee.
oil.
घी और ऑयल दो भी.
ghee or oil, anything. And then they have to take with that lamp.
नहीं, लैम्प should be put there.
Lamp should be put there. And then take how many rounds?
4 या 7.
4 or 7 rounds. Okay.
as per time.
As per time. Okay.
And they have to wish anything?
and
They have to खाली पीपल का वृक्ष को ऐसा हाथ घिसे
hmm.
और अपने मुंह को खाली ऐसा ही लगाए.
Okay, so they just have to touch
Rub.
the tree,
Rub
rub
the
it,
tree.
and then put it.
Okay.
Short उपाय,
But
result
excellent.
oriented उपाय.
You seen this working?
I got the result.
Oh, fantastic. Any of your clients got it?
I can give you lot of numbers.
Fantastic. Sir. I mean, what I want is, I want experience coming.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Experience.
That,
You know.
that's very.
You give me an upaya where it is this thing. Now, I will share my own experience.
Yeah.
I faced poverty in life. I have not done upayas. One they say, oh, what is the name of the tree?
Banyan.
This is fruit.
बेल.
Beer.
वो अपना वो ऑफिस है ना, उसमें बाहर झाड़ है, वो कौन सा झाड़ है मालूम है?
Beer.
हाँ, एक फ्रूट है वो दारम
दारम.
what
शमी
is it?
वृक्ष.
हाँ,
शमी वृक्ष. शमी वृक्ष.
शमी वृक्ष. Okay, so दारम को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलता है?
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate, yes. Keep that tree.
Okay.
Pour water to it every day. Okay. And there's a particular god that resides in it. I'm forgetting that.
दत्तात्रेय.
Datta? Okay. And I did not know that actually. Maybe something else was told to me. But if it gives fruit,
Oh. Acha, it's not always good.
months it will take, it will not give.
Oh.
Sometimes it will not. But if it gives fruit, your fortune is done. This Yuvraj's mother told me.
Oh. Okay. So it is called Ek Se Anek.
Then is Naveen Bhai Zaveri's Upay. And what I have translated,
That's a great.
this is, I have that article with me, I could never publish it. I lost interest in the magazines, I did not publish it. It is, you know that अपन भगवान को कौन सा फूल चढ़ाते हैं ऑरेंज वाला
गोंडा.
गेंदे का गेंदे का फूल I do not know in English what it is called. I have that article somewhere. You know, Naveen Bhai Zaveri came up with that upay for wealth. Okay, I will publish that article. I have it somewhere. You know, and this flower
Okay.
on a particular time,
Okay.
I think it is to be calculated with each person's horoscope, something like that it is.
Okay.
Okay, or through Panchang, that yoga. On a particular time, you have to plant it.
Acha, okay. You have to plant.
Plant
Oh. Okay.
this flower. Okay, gende ka fool. I do not know what's it called in English. Some of the Indian
In
readers.
every garland it has.
Every garland we have.
it has.
Okay.
If you have
And
it,
it comes
एक
easily
काम
out.
कर, वो कोई लड़के को भेज नीचे उसको बोल गेंदे का थोड़ा फूल लेके आना उधर मार्केट से. Okay. So
गोंडा बोलते हैं उसको.
गेंदे का फूल बांधो ना उसको फटाक जल्दी जाए. So और गेंदे का फूल का I might have something here.
maybe see the translation. No?
Translation I don't know. But anyway, let him bring it. You know.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that by that time you put it
Oh.
in this thing. Now our one of my teachers in our institute, okay, Jitendra Trivedi.
Oh.
I asked him to translate this article.
Okay. Okay.
And in one of the versions of his book, this is not there.
Oh.
So because it's in Gujarati.
Ah.
In another version, older version, it was there.
Okay.
So I asked, I think 3 years back, I asked him translate it, we'll publish it as an article.
Okay.
One of my other this thing said, sir, don't publish it as an article. Okay. Says that sometimes an upay when it goes viral, then the power reduces of it. He's a Jain, so he gave me an example
yes.
of one of his.
That is why it is secret, no?
Yeah.
One to
It
one
should remain
only.
secret,
Yeah.
yeah.
1 to 1 only.
But you know, sometimes I found even it's common to do upay's work, although it's very popularly known also.
Yeah.
So now Jitendra Trivedi was translating this article
Okay.
and he
Planted.
tested it on himself.
हाँ.
Okay.
That's the human tendency.
Human tendency. So he called up. He said the day I planted it, I got 35,000.
Oh.
अच्छा.
Okay. That's great.
So then I told him, I said, Baba, you remove an murat for me.
Yeah.
Okay. I will do this. Okay. He gave me the muhurat. I did not get time to go and buy that plant. Then again he gave me the muhurat. Again I did not do.
That's your destiny.
That's my destiny.
That's your destiny.
My problem is time management.
Yeah.
Terrible. So many things I'm doing at the same time. You know.
Yeah.
So, but he swears that it works. He swears. Then he said, sir, you only remove the muhurat and you only do it yourself. Because every time I'll give you, you will not do it.
But he has given you article or not?
It is there, it is here somewhere. I need to first find it, you know, and publish it. Problem is, you know,
Yeah.
people on Facebook and YouTube are such, they will not, you know how I judge people, how useless their souls are. They must have done 10,000 upayas. Okay, how I judge people. The first thing they do, send me that article on so and so. Arey Baba, first say thank you for a great video. Show compassion, show gratitude. I have done a video on gratitude and Kapil's this thing. I did it in Guru this thing. How many people have written to me saying their lives have changed
Yes, yes, yes. Give
by gratitude. And I tell them, you know, you have time to practice gratitude. I am grateful to you. I don't get time to practice gratitude. But what I do, sometimes when I am driving, I thank my wife from the bottom of my child, my parents, for what they have done and the patience they have for me, because I am a very erratic guy. You know, so at least that much, you know. Then I thank my master, my mentor, you know, because of them I am here. Our Guru Patel sir, you know. So the gratitude people, they expect you to be their servant. तेरा बाप का नौकर है क्या मैं? Okay. The way they ask, okay, show gratitude. I am saying the biggest upay is gratitude. Every day morning, get up before your feet touches.
Yeah.
Okay. You know that technique of
Karagre
this is for.
vaste rashmiya.
Okay. That Sanskrit mantra is there.
Yeah.
That is the biggest mantra. You got to see your hand. Now the three parts are Lakshmi, Saraswati, this, you know, the three parts. Now, I don't know Sanskrit. I don't know the mantra. It's big mantra. How to remember? That too in the morning.
And that is all after get up.
After getting up. So what I used to do? I should just look.
Yeah.
Just look. So any Westerner can also do it. Get up in the morning. Do it like this.
Chant the mantra.
इसके
He will
पीछे
chant
का
the mantra.
कारण भी है.
Do you remember that mantra?
हाँ.
Can you chant it right now?
Yeah.
कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी, करमूले सरस्वती, करमध्ये तु गोविंद, प्रभाते करदर्शनम. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी, कर के अग्रभाग में यहाँ लक्ष्मी का वास है. करमूले सरस्वती, मूल के भाग में सरस्वती का वास.
It is right always touch, no?
कर मध्य तू गोविंद, बीच में भगवान कृष्ण का वास है. प्रभाते कर दर्शनम, इसीलिए हम सुबह अपने कर का दर्शन कर रहे हैं. यही भगवान है, हमारा शरीर ही भगवान है, ऊपर कुछ नहीं है स्वर्ग और नरक.
Sir, please translate this part. You know that.
Yeah. So Karagre still Lakshmi, the top of the hands is always a Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
That is why whenever we meet people, no, we touch this part.
And we used
So
to
that
give the money like this.
Because there is a money part.
Okay.
This is a money part.
Okay.
And we eat whatever, that is also wealth.
Hmm.
So that is a Lakshmi. Then it says that at the bottom of this is a Saraswati,
Okay.
goddess for the intellectual that is. See, main mantra for this Om Aim Namah. That is a basic mantra. Those whose child are not performing well, it's very good. Because while you are writing now, this part always touch with this. So that touch with the things, so that you get the energy from the earth, Mother. So that is a Lakshmi. There is a Lakshmi part, there is Saraswati part, and center is the Lord Vishnu. So that whenever you see these three parts of your life, because people what they want.
There is an order to it. I'm forgetting.
Yeah.
Which one to start?
Yeah.
From bottom to up or up to down? I'm
देखिए,
forgetting.
आप पूरे रात सोते हो आंख बंद करके, आपकी पूरी शरीर की ऊर्जा है ना शरीर के अंदर ही है. मतलब आप मेडिटेशन में भी बैठते हो तो सामने आंख खुलने के बाद वो बोलते हैं ना देवताओं के, जब हम प्राण प्रतिष्ठा करते हैं तब यहाँ हम काली पट्टी लगाते हैं. उसके बाद जब वो काली पट्टी प्रतिष्ठा होने के बाद खुलना होता है तब हम आगे कांच रखते हैं,
मिरर रखते हैं।
ताकि वो पट्टी पीछे से खुले और वो कांच टूट जाए।
Because
क्यों?
all the
क्योंकि उसकी
energy-
शक्ति पूरी वहाँ। तो हमेशा पाप का प्रवेश जो द्वार होता है ना, वो दो ही है, एक आँख और एक कान।
नहीं,
तो वो जो हम देते हैं अपनी शक्ति है ना, इसीलिए हम यहाँ वहाँ नहीं देखना पसंद करते हैं।
नहीं,
हमारे
आई एम
ऋषियों ने
सेइंग
इसीलिए
स्टार्ट वो ऊपर से चालू करे कि नीचे से चालू?
सीधा बीच में ही देखना है, ऐसा ही।
अच्छा, मेरे को
पूरे
किसी
हाथ
ने
को।
बोला था करके कि नीचे से ऊपर,
हम्म।
नीचे से ऊपर जाना मीन्स
हाँ।
you what I want to say is because I've been
Yeah.
doing this and I found
हाँ.
brilliant results. Okay. And I found many variations in this in my travels to various people. So what, get up in the morning, this is to increase fortune. Okay, you see your hand, okay, from say bottom to top, both the palm, keep that distance. Take the energy of it. You will realize early morning this thing, your hands, some of the lines will be slightly red in color.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one. Now after that you're supposed to
Yeah.
touch it. That is, you take the energy into your body, into your face.
Yeah,
So the wealth, the fortune comes, the luck and prosperity.
Yeah, yeah.
Now there is a variation which I found in one of my travels. In the morning, one nostril will be flowing either left or right.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So whichever one is flowing, if
Okay.
your left nostril is flowing,
Okay.
you touch that, not this.
Oh.
That is the variation in this procedure.
Yeah, people go depth, no? Then
People
after
go
they-
in depth. I mean, what I'm trying to say is, this part is not well known. So, you know, many people will say after seeing this video, oh, this is not there. You know, but this is where
something
I have
different, yeah.
learned. Okay. And wealth. Okay, that गेंदे का फूल, ला बेटा, गेंदे वाला दे. हाँ. दो एक ही दे बेटा, खाली फ्लावर दिखाना है. This is the flower.
But they have to plant real plant, no?
कहीं
हाँ,
भी ये उग जाता
और
है,
they can-
कहीं भी उग जाता है ये।
हाँ, नहीं, और they can even ready-made plant.
रेडी में नर्सरी में मिलता है।
Nursery you get
Okay,
₹20
some
रुपया।
grown plants.
Naveen Bhai Zaveri, you know, the guy who's written
Yeah,
about
maize to me. Yeah,
this
yeah.
this book,
Yeah, that
you know,
maize
this Maize to Me, this book.
yeah, that was the original 1981. It is published.
No, I'm trying to get this essence
Okay.
of this book in English. We are trying to.
No, this Raman Thakkar is already published.
In English?
Also, English.
But that is not available. That ascendant one. Okay, just it better. So anyway, Naveen Bhai Zaveri was a great C.J. Krishna Swami's student.
Yeah.
And we are also, by the way, publishing C.J. Krishna Swami's legendary book,
That book.
Indian Astrology. We tomorrow my check will go, and we're getting the complete rights. And
The day we
it is
distributed.
we distributed 200
Yeah,
copies of it.
200.
It's the greatest book